So basically, I'd heard about Shivasom almost 25 years ago from a friend of mine, and she had come here for a retreat. And it's taken me very long to come here, but it was, I think, worth the wait.
For me, I've really had an aversion to spas and health resorts because for me, going out of town somewhere is to go and have a great vacation and, have my beers and all the other.
And shop.
And shop a lot. And there it was Shivasom in Huayin. I heard about this place, but I never had the guts to come here. Finally, Bhavna gets me here, and it's also Bhavna's birthday tomorrow. So yeah, it was a great occasion to come. But this has completely changed my life. The way I think about it, I must confess I've never had a massage in my life. Because if anyone massages me, I start laughing. But the massages here, oh my God, I think now I know what I've been missing all my life. And of course, it's made me a better person because first of all, I cut my smoking down because you're not allowed to smoke here. You have these little corners you have to run to and smoke. It's also made me very aware of my skin because I've been swimming every day of my life without using sunscreen. Finally, I met the doctor here and he showed me the kind of damage that's happened to my skin. And it's been an eye-opener for me. So yeah, I'm going to be applying sunscreen and listening to a lot of advice the professionals have given me out here. The food has been incredible. I mean, I have no swellings under my eyes and there's no bloating. I've just been feeling healthy. I wish I could eat this food back in India too.
I think I have, always tried to, take some time off to do and experience things like this. But this has been absolutely amazing. The hospitality is like incomparable. Everyone is so polite and you feel like you're almost at home. And at the same time, you're in a beautiful, getaway, but you don't miss home here. The food is nutritious. You don't feel guilty eating the food. You want to eat the dessert and you want to eat the starter, the soup, the main course, and everything is like calorie counted, healthy fats, healthy protein. So I think that's been amazing. Today we went and visited their organic garden and
the mangroves.
The mangroves first, and then their organic garden where all their fruit and vegetables that we eat here are grown there. So it's just been amazing. I think whenever anyone has the time and must come here and experience it, even if it's for a short period of time, but I think this experience is a must.
It's a once in a lifetime experience.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
And for me, I think before coming here, just the environment and our daily life and how hectic it is, and not only that, just, there's so much information that you get a lot of like anxiety, in the kind of world we are living in today. You're always anxious, you're always stressed, you're always running. So, and you're always on your phone and your iPad and your whatever, all your digital devices. I think what has been amazing here also is like I have really, naturally done a digital detox, which has been amazing.
Detox.
Which I needed because I realized that it, besides the environment here and the food and the massages and everything that's amazing, I think just someone letting you know, keep the phone aside, live in the moment, enjoy the scenery, enjoy the beauty, eat the good food. I think it's been like a huge eye-opener for me, and we've been meeting some really nice people who've come here for the similar program and for different reasons, and each one is going back with the most amazing experience.
But Bhav, I think we spent very short time here because I've met people who came here for a week and have stayed for 2 months.
Yeah,
it's
that's
so
what
incredible.
I met someone today who said that they had planned to come here for a week and they've extended by another 2 weeks. So, and I was like, what about your work? And they were like, when we go back to our room, we find those couple of hours, and today with electronic, with your emails and everything, the work can be done.
You have made us feel the best in the world.
Yeah.
I am feeling so rejuvenated.
Happy birthday, Shivasom. I know you just turned 30 years old. I am very happy to be here. Wishing you a really, really long, healthy, happy life. And I am here for my 51st birthday, but you've made me feel like a 30-year-old. So thank you, Shivasom.